Today on Nebraska WoodSTR, we're dialing in the conveyor and the wolf ridge, and we're getting stuff cleaned up. Here we go. Hey WoodSTRs, my name is Mike. Well, as you can see, or you will see here in a short bit, getting this conveyor and wolf ridge dialed in. You can see this pile of rounds right here. We're down to the last 5 or 10, and we're going to be back to the tractor work of getting rounds over here. So worked out pretty good. Learned some stuff here as we did some splitting and just how many rounds we can put in there to kind of keep them out of the way so we don't have to move them. You can see kind of where where this wet spot is. That's where most of that, where the dog walked through, where most of those rounds were. So we kind of had to drag them over to the wolf ridge. So I don't think we'll be piling up as many there, or as many. So as we can get closer, and once we get this conveyor ran off of something else other than the tractor, it'll be a little bit easier because we can come in here, these piles, and just push them right up to the wolf ridge, right up to the log lift, and have a little less handle and not have to drag them so far. But you can see here that this pile, we are getting dangerously close to the end. Looks like a couple more pallets, and we'll be putting ends on it, and we'll have another run. Kind of interested in doing some measurements on that pile compared to the hand-thrown one. As you can tell, you can see right there, it's quite a bit higher than the other one there. So we're kind of excited just to kind of put a tape to that one and see how much extra volume we got in there just by stacking it higher. So yep, just keeping the motor running on that thing a little bit every night. Sun is getting close to setting here. Not sure if I will throw out a previous picture, but that fourth load of logs that came in started right there and worked its way all the way to there. And now we're working on those 3 loads that came in. So just keep that chain running. Keep that chain running and burn off a little bit every night. I'll show you a little bit of what I got done here. Pretty good stack of rounds right there, and we're working on this pile of red elm. Those are the 3 loads that came in here. I'm not even sure how long ago now, a couple, 2-3 weeks ago. But you can see we're down to less than a load right there and 1 load right there. So we're going to have that snubbed up before you know it. I would say another week or 2, but we're going to have to come back in here with the tractor and start sorting these things out. Get into that pile right back there, and then get this all cleaned up, and then we'll go back to those piles over there. Any other new stuff that's coming in, we may stack in a different spot. I got a couple of different ideas you'll have to stick around for. One of these days we'll get, once all this stuff here is gone, we can get that trailer backed up underneath the processor and get all of that snubbed up, ran through the processor in stacking here. I'd like to see, most of that's fairly small stuff, so I'd like to see that be a sellable product here by midwinter to late winter, but not convinced, where this trailer is sitting. New to the Woodyard, has an old stand on it that came out of a campground that we vacated, and that one will be going up probably north where our new permanent campground is, so we can start selling firewood out of there. But with all of the discussion around semis and being able to get them out here, I'm thinking this is going to be more of our turnaround area versus our shed. So new thought process is moving our shed build down there where the processor is, along that bank. That will keep us from tying up semis coming up here, because with the production that we're doing and the production that we're needing, I cannot afford to not be able to get semis up here. And if I piss off every trucker out there, that's going to be a problem. So anyway, probably speed this up, show you a couple different angles here of figuring out this conveyor. All right, let's show you. wrap her up here today. Thanks to all you new subscribers out there. Thanks for your support. And everybody else that's been following me along, please do me a favor. Hit the buttons, like, subscribe, and share. And we will see you on the flip side.